This is the third video of our LinkedIn Automation Lead Generation course, where we will be discussing the important tools, teams, and resources required to run a successful business. Before we start this video, ask these questions to yourself. 1. What are the most important tools for a successful business? 2. What are the most important qualities of a successful team? 3. How do you determine which tools are necessary for your business's operations and growth? If you have started thinking that yes, these are some tough questions for which I must have the relevant answers for a successful business, then watch this video till the end. Before we understand the important tools, resources, and teams required to build a successful business, we need to take a step back and understand what could happen if we don't use industry-standard tools and the best teams to grow our business. According to HubSpot, implementing the right tools is necessary to run a successful business. Another research by Statista lists down all the important reasons why startups fail, where teams and tools play a vital role, along with other factors. We also need to understand whether the tools and teams we will be discussing make sense for your business or not. For instance, if someone is running a physical store selling vegetables, tools like email marketing or a team like digital marketing might not make business sense. On the other hand, if we compare it with an IT company where their primary business source is via online mediums, email marketing tools and digital marketing teams would be required to generate leads. Not just the type of business, but also the size of the business and budgets will play a crucial role in finding the right fit. Having said that, when it comes to starting your own business, having the right tools can make the difference between success and failure. In the next video, we will identify the best tools and teams required to have a successful business.